Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today we will be talking about geometric sequences and how to solve them using the explicit and recursive formula. First off, what are geometric sequences? Geometric sequences are the ratio between each pair of consecutive terms. And the ratio between each pair of consecutive terms always stays the same. This is normally called the common ratio. Each term is found by multiplying the previous term by the common ratio. Here's an example. If 120 is the first term in the sequence, we can see that the ratio from 120 to 60 is 1/2. Same goes for the ratio of 60 to 30. That is also 1/2, and the ratio of 30 to 15 is also 1/2. Therefore, there is a common ratio, and this is, in fact, a geometric sequence. However, in the second one, we see if 2 is the first term, the ratio of 2 to 6 is 1/3, the ratio of 6 to 11 is 6/11, which is not equivalent to 1/3. Therefore, this is not a geometric sequence. Now we will go over the explicit and recursive formula. So the explicit formula is the most straightforward one, and in most problems, you will most likely use the explicit formula. The explicit formula says f of n equals f of 1 times r to the power of n minus 1. R is the common ratio and f of 1 is the first term. If you're confused as to what f of 1 means, it just means the function of 1 or the function of n. The second one is the recursive formula. The recursive formula is usually used when you're trying to find a number before a term or after a term. The recursive formula is f of 1 equals first term and f of n equals r, which is the common ratio, times f of n minus 1. Now I'll be showing you the formulas in a sub n order. The explicit formula for a sub n is a sub n equals a sub n times r to the power of n minus 1. And recursive is a sub 1 equals first term, and then a sub n equals r times a n minus 1. If you are still confused as to what a sub n or f of n means, think of it as a placeholder or like a variable. A sub n or f of n represents the nth term in a sequence. So if you were to find the fourth term in a sequence, you would say a sub 4 or f of 4. These are just two ways of writing explicit and recursive formula for geometric sequences. Hopefully this makes sense, and see you in the next video.